back with the hole stand, coat stand, whatever you want to call it. We were rained off yesterday, so we had to wash all the paint stripper off camera, but it's all been paint stripped. All that nasty black stain's been taken off it, or paint or whatever it was. It's had a very, very light sanding, just to get rid of any residue, paint stripper and bits of finish. You can see we've still got quite a lot of age on there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give it its final coat. We are going to use Lacorn or Lacorn buffing wax in dark oak. 2 coats, applied with a brush, leave it for half an hour and then buff it off.
So we've waxed it. Supposed to leave it for about half an hour, but to be perfectly honest, we spread it about a bit and it's quite cold out here, so it's actually wax is going off quite quick. I would imagine it's slightly different if it were warmer. By the time we've got from the top to the bottom, it's probably about half an hour anyway. So just going to start buffing now. Piece of clean cloth. Already started there. You can just see that sheen coming. Fixtures and fittings then. Obviously the mirror is missing a corner, an edge on it, but to be perfectly honest, we're just going to leave that. Mainly because it's just part of its history. It's not too detrimental to the mirror. Just is what it is, and I think trying to get a piece of glass that's aged like this, not really going to happen, and certainly not to this shape, so we're going to go with what we've got, I think. I think it looks nice anyway. It's all or nothing. It's all or nothing. So there we have it. What started out as we'll just do a quick clean and a polish, turned into a little bit more of a project than we expected. So what we've done, we've paint stripped it, give it a very, very light sand, because we wanted to keep that patina. Waxed it, buffed it up, put all the fittings back on it once they've all been cleaned and had a little bit of wax applied to them, and lined the inside of the keyboard just to upgrade it a little bit. I think it's still got its antique patina. It still looks really good. So another project well done.